Everything above and below is in full communication, but we're different. We're different. We're separate from that. Now, just pause for a second. What the hell am I talking about? I'm just assessing the deal. And where is that assessment happening? The wonder and awe of the deal, and that place where we all say, I don't friggin' know, right? It's happening in the present moment. And remember, this is called Why Am I Not Happy Yet? And I'm challenging you to recognize, I think you are happy. You just forgot. All hardwired and dependent on everything else. Nothing exists without anything. So there's no doubt that nature is all interconnected and it can't live without one another.